to log in to Fantasy Premier League. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Fantasy Premier League and you will be led to this particular interface. Here, go ahead and tap on the very first link you see there, that is fantasy.premierleague.com. Now, you will be led to the official webpage of Premier League, so go ahead and tap on the login option you see there in order to log yourself in, and you will be led to the login portal. So go ahead and start by entering your email address followed by your password, and then tap on the sign in option. Just in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can also tap on the forgot password option you see there and follow the on-screen prompts in order to recover your password. Now, once you tap on the sign in option, then you will be signed in to Fantasy Premier League if the login credentials that you entered is correct. Additionally, if you do not have an email address, then you can also sign in using your Google account, your Facebook account, your Twitter account, or your Apple account. Now, in the interface that you will then be led to, you will then be required to select your language preference, you will be required to check your account security, and you will be required to agree to the terms and conditions of Fantasy Premier League. So once you do that, tap on the continue button, and with this, you will be successfully signed in to Fantasy Premier League. So this was about how you can log in to Fantasy Premier League. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.